Hello students, today I am going to demonstrate you on the concept of dispersion of light. We learn this concept in optics and we know that when a white light is passed through a prism, it separates into its constituent colors. So this process is called as dispersion of light. So I am going to explain it with the help of a simple demonstration. Before that, let us look at what happens in case of dispersion of light. So, in case of dispersion of light, the white light which is incident on the face of the prism, let us say that this is prism ABC as you can observe in the diagram, and this is the incident ray, that is the white ray, and it is incident on face AB. When it will be incident on face AB, it will undergo refraction and therefore the white ray will be separated into its constituent colors. At the other face AC, again there is one more refraction, and the light which is coming out, that is nothing but in the form of a spectrum. So we know that the sequence, that is Vibgor, that is the colors which are observed when the light will pass through a prism. Now here red color and the violet color, these are the extreme colors, and these colors, red color is having maximum wavelength and violet color is having minimum wavelength. We know that the different colors have different wavelengths. So lambda r, that will be greater than lambda y, where y is nothing but yellow color and it is the mean color of the spectrum, and lambda v, that is the wavelength for violet color. Now, when the ray is traveling through the prism, what happens is that the longer wavelengths they travel fast, and the shorter wavelengths they require more time to come out through the prism. And as a result, the violet ray that gets deviated more and more from the original direction of the ray of light. So, if you will observe here in the diagram, you will find that this delta R is smaller as compared to the other colors, and this is called as the deviation from the original direction of incident light. So delta r, that will denote the angle of deviation for red color, delta y, that will denote it for yellow color, and delta v will denote the deviation for violet color. And as you can observe from the diagram, the violet color gets deviated more as compared to your red and yellow color. Okay, so now I am going to uh, explain this with the help of some analogical experiment. So for that purpose I am going to use this apparatus. So as you can observe here, this is the glue stick which I will be using. This is I am replacing it for prism. This is a opaque material, as you can observe here, and when the light will pass through this, that time the velocity of light will be reduced through this particular medium. So the light will travel slower when it is passing through this. Then I will be using different bulbs. So I have a red color bulb. These are the extreme colors in the electromagnetic spectrum. I'll be using this blue color bulb, and for the mean color I'll be using the yellow color bulb, and I have a bulb holder through which I am going to light these bulbs. So I am going to place these bulbs in a box, and so that I will just narrow down the ray of light, the light which is coming out through that bulb, and then I will show you that how much distance through the glue stick each color will travel. So we will just observe that particular part. So this is the arrangement for my demonstration. I have taken a box in which I will be keeping the colored bulb, and then I am attaching glue stick to that. So here you can observe the red color which is traveling through the glue stick. Now since it is in the the light in the room is present, so you cannot observe it for longer distance. So what I will do is that I will now switch off the light and show you the deviation for each color, how much the color light is going to travel through the glue stick. So now I have attached a red color bulb, and I'm keeping it in the box, and I have kept a glue stick in front of that. So you can observe here the distance the light is going to travel into the glue stick. So this is traveling much longer length up to the end of the glue stick. So now I will try it with the yellow color, that is the mean color. 0. Now we are using the yellow color light, and I'm placing the glue stick in front of that. So you can observe that here up to this the uh, intensity is sharp, and then it goes on decreasing further. So the yellow color is traveling like this in this glue stick. Now I am using the blue color light, and I am placing glue stick in front of that. So here you can observe that up to a short distance the light intensity is brighter, and further it goes on decreasing. So the blue color travels the least distance in the glue stick, yellow color travels more than the blue, and the red color travels the maximum distance in the glue stick. So from this we can come to the conclusion that in case of prism, as we know that the light deviates, violet color deviates more, and red color deviates least from the original direction of incident light. Similarly, in case of this other material also, we have observed that the deviation of blue is more, and so it travels a less distance, whereas red color its deviation is less, and therefore it travels a longer distance in the glue stick. So you can also try this particular experiment at home. It is very easy, and you can enjoy learning more, finding more about this particular concept.